Hello everyone, today's menu will be cabbage salad. This side dish is light and fresh with a crunch and is very flavorful, perfect on its own or with your favorite protein. So if you're ready, let's get mixing. I have here half of a red onion and then I'm just slicing it thinly. Okay, and I'm just going to set these aside. And then here I have 3 sweet peppers. You can go ahead and use bell peppers if you wish, just the regular big bell peppers. And then I'm also just going to finely slice these up too. And these normally don't have a lot of seeds, but if you want to, you can go ahead and remove the seeds if you wish. But I'm just gonna leave them because they're really little and they're not spicy. And then here I have a piece of cabbage, and then I'm also just going to thinly slice this cabbage. And if you have a large shredder, you can go ahead and shred them too, but I prefer thinly slicing mine by hands. Okay, here in a small bowl, I'm going to add in some apple cider vinegar. And then along with some soy sauce. And then some sweeteners. Along with Sriracha. And then if you don't have Sriracha, you can go ahead and use hot sauce, any hot sauce. And then some good old sesame oil. About a tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna go in and give them all a good whisk, combine everything well. Okay, this looks good. And then I'm just going to bring in the cabbage that I thinly sliced, and I did transfer them into a bigger bowl. And then I'm just going to add in the remaining vegetables. And then I'm going to pour the sauce all over the veggies. And then I'm just going to use my tongue, and I'm just going to mix them around, get them all nice and coated. Don't this look delicious? So fresh. With all the fresh veggies and the soy sauce and sesame oil. Okay, and then I'm going to sprinkle on the chopped peanuts just all over. And I'm just gonna go in and give it all a nice coat again. And then at this point, you can go ahead and enjoy it right away, or if you're like me, you can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator for at least maybe 30 minutes to an hour to let it chill, and then you can enjoy them. Okay, this looks good. And then I'm just going to pop it in the refrigerator just as is. I'm not gonna cover it off, but you can go ahead if you want to. Here is the end results of the cabbage salad. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.